Alright guys, this video is going to be on the DPM guide rod assembly for the Glock 19x. You can see the guide rod and the gun right there. It looks good. Let's try it out. First rounds. One mag down. 33 rounder. Perfect. Now let's try to limp wrist it. Perfect. Single hand. %.
All right, guys, we're shooting that 6 Hour Elite Performance ammunition. It is the 115 grain full metal jacket, traveling at 1,185 feet per second. All right, guys, the 19x with the DPM system. You switch this one to a lefty. .33 round fun stick.
100% function. Not one problem.
Runs like a top. Very soft shooting, man. I have my own 19x, guys. I'm going to be shooting that one stock to be able to feel the difference. But the DPM system works great, and it seems very light recoiling.
So guys, if you're interested in this product, go ahead and check out DPM Systems' website via the description box below this video. You can use our discount code B9USA to save 10% off your entire order.
All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube, and support us on Patreon for more videos like this coming up in the future.